Lawyers haggled over harassment allegations today, setting the tone for a case that could potentially pit former female Mounties against the force they once served. Another retired officer went on the record about the bullying and sexual harassment she faced throughout her career. Mary Kostashuk is one of 300 women proposing a class action lawsuit. CTV's Vancouver Bureau Chief Melanie Nagy has the details.
In the background is where Mary Kostashuk prefers to stand.
You know what, I'm going to have Mary talk now.
But standing back, remaining silent, something Kostashuk says she can no longer do.
I've experienced harassment in the RCMP.
Kostashuk was an RCMP officer for 32 years. The former sergeant once led a major commercial crime unit here in BC. She recently left the force, claiming years of harassment and bullying.
I was called names. I was left out.
But when Kostashuk took her complaints to senior management, she says they refused to investigate.
It blindsided me. This was in 2009, and I ended up suffering depression, clinical depression.
Kostashuk is just one of several female Mounties to come forward with serious allegations against the RCMP.
The RCMP is more interested in fighting in court than
David Klein represents Kostashuk and hundreds of other women who are trying to usher a class action lawsuit through the courts.
What they want to see is immediate, constructive, productive change within the force.
Change.
I want a full, fair, and thorough look.
That's something the RCMP's top Mountie, Commissioner Bob Paulson, has been promising for months.
Let's face it, some people's ambitions exceed their abilities.
But yesterday, while speaking at a Senate hearing into the issue of harassment, Paulson surprisingly slammed the credibility of 3 members